Hey everyone, my name is Riley Rose and welcome to FeetFinder.com. You guys, I am so excited to tell you the great news. I just made my first sale. It took almost no effort and I already landed my first sale. I ended up on FeetFinder because as a college student, I needed a part-time job to help pay for rent, bills, groceries, all of that stuff, all without taking away from my studies. At first, registering on the site was just a crazy idea that a friend of mine had, and I didn't even know if it was legit or not. So I did the only thing that any reasonable, responsible young adult would do. I said, screw it, and I signed up. I took a risk posting my feet pics online, thinking, I just want to show my face, and now I don't even mind it. I didn't have my pics up for long, maybe a few days at most, and I already got a notification that I had a buyer. I was pretty excited to see that, so I raced to my profile to check out the details. Seeing that this actually works, I've been taking and posting way more feet pics and videos online. Funny as it may seem to some, because they still think it's a phishing scam, but if you're watching this video, then you know that there's a fast and clean way of selling feet pics online. You can even come to my page and buy mine, please. It's been such a fun experience so far, and I love that you can do it in your spare time. Maybe even while you're bored? No, but really, I'm just excited that it's a legit site with real results. I love how convenient it is for me as a student because it can just be a passive income for me while I study. I could even find inspiration and post right from my desk. But I also have some errands, need to hang out with some friends, some other stuff. But the point is, I now know that FeetFinder.com is an authentic, income-generating website after all. Anyway, make sure you head over to my profile and check out my next video where I will be making content and guiding you through the entire process. Please click subscribe so you'll get notified when new content is up. Again, this is Riley Rose wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever it is that turns you on. Bye!